Hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question, which is the compound A on treatment with Na gives B, and with PCl5 gives C. B and C react together to give diethyl ether. So A, B, C are in order. So first is options are C, C2H5OH, C2H6, C2H5Cl. Second C2H5OH, C2H5Cl, C2H5ONA. Third option C2H5OH, C2H5ONA, C2H5Cl, and fourth is C2H6Cl, C2H6, and C2H5OH. Now we will find out what's the correct option. So the compound A is just a second, I will use the highlighter. It will be easier for you to understand. So compound A on treatment with Na gives B. So first we can assume that what will be the treatment compound A. Let's assume that compound A will be the ethanol. So ethanol is C2H5OH. Okay. So to C2H5OH, the compound A on treatment with Na, as it is written, gives B. So gives B. So B can be the sodium with oxide. So if C2H5OH, let me write it, C2H5OH reacts with Na, gives the C2H5ONA. Okay, C2H5ONA. So let's see that in which option both of the are there. C2H5, which is A, okay, and C2H5ONA, which is B. So with this we can say that fourth option is not even correct, and not the second one, and not the first one. So the third one we will check whether the third will be uh, C2H5OH or not Cl. So when the PCl5 reacts with C2H5OH, it definitely gives the C2H5Cl. So the correct answer will be the C. Now we will check what's the correct answer. Yeah, the correct answer is C, which is C2H5OH and C2H5ONA, and the third one will C2H5 and Cl. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you understand this.